Are you sure he's right? Yeah, I am. Don't worry. You just sneak by. And so Ding Ding sneaked by the security guard who was sleeping. Ooh, ha, what a loser. He's sleeping on a job. How's he getting paid? Oh. Oh! Watch out, man. Look, I'm gonna get you out of here, okay? You're acting very clumsy. I know, let's get out. Oh, phew. You know petrol tin's behind me, right? Wait, who? Petrol tin. Oh, great. Oh god, what is that? Alarms, I think. Great, now they're gonna chase us. Let's get out of here. Yeah. Jeez. Little did they know, it's just a fake. That's just, well, a voice of him. He's not actually alive. Soon he'll stop saying stuff and then